the target. It's alright, Maya. Go hit the cars, Maya. There you go. Yeah. 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 Go, Maya, reverse. Yeah. Woohoo! Yeah. Maya did shut off the engine. Mommy, can you press the sound button?
Go for it. Here we go.
More.
Monster Jam. Feel the power. Go for it.
Okay, reverse. Uh-oh.
Here we go.
You like it, Maya? It's so loud. Can you press the sound button again, Mommy?
Monster Jam.
More.
Feel the power.
This is the eyes. Huh? This is the eyes.
The eyes? Where are the eyes?
Here.
The headlights?
Yeah. And this is the nose.
Okay.
Mouth.
It's nice, huh, Maya? Alright, go, Maya, drive! Woo!
Go for it.
Yeah!
Here we go.
Yeah!
Monster Jam. Feel the power.
Oh no! The boxes! The boxes!
Here we go. Monster Jam.
It's nice.
Feel the power.
Wow.
Go
Huh?
for it.
It's what?
Here we go.
Strong? Yeah, it is strong. It's a strong monster truck. Yeah. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Son of a digger is here. Yeah. Well, alright, kids. There you have it. We are going to sign off now. Mommy Rhea, Maya, and I are going to see you on the next video. Bye, kids. Yeah, there you go. The engine sound.
Feel the power.
Alright, bye-bye, kids. Bye.
There's no driver.
There's no driver. You're the driver.
You are the driver, Maya.
All my sins here.
I see the speaker, Mommy Rhea. Inside.
Oh.
It's a big speaker. Nice.
Here we go. Monster Jam.
I love this.
Feel the power. Go for it. Here we go.
Nice. Okay, Mami Rhea, start the engine on. Go! Yeah! I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Total mayhem. Yeah. Woohoo! Press the sound button, Mommy.
Monster Jam.
Yeah. Whoa, yeah, go.
Power.
Crash those cars. Crash those cars.
Here we go.
Yeah. Woohoo!
Monster Jam.
Hey, Mami Rhea, what's up? What's up? How are you?
I'm good.
Nice to know, nice to know. I like your blouse.
Oh, thank you.
Are you a Native American Indian? It looks cool.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, it fits you. It suits you.
Thank you.
Alright. Well, I see a big box. New Bright RC Monster Jam Truck, son of a digger. Oh yeah. With light and sound. All batteries included, including the 9.6 volt lithium ion battery or battery pack. Nice. Advanced technology, 2.4 gigahertz, raise up to 6 vehicles, longer range, faster response with internal antenna. Oh yeah, son of a digger. Very nice. The back of the box, Mommy.
Hey.
Alright. Full function RC. Dual joystick sound controller. Instruction booklet is included. Yeah. Alright. The side of the box, Mommy. The other side. Alright. And the front again. It says, try me. Press button for light and sound demo. Okay, let's try it.
Monster Jam. Feel the power. Here we go.
Feel the power. Oh yeah, nice. Okay, Mommy. You know what to do. Unboxing time, kids. Unboxing time, folks. Julian and Maya's favorite part. The unboxing part. Oh yeah. Soft tires. Soft rubber tires for better traction. And the instruction booklet. Oh yeah. Nice. Go, Mommy. Son of a digger. The charger. Alright, and the truck itself. It's big, huh? Yeah. Son of a digger. Okay, so we have the charger, the dual stick controller, the lithium ion battery, and 2 AA batteries for the controller. And the truck itself. Nice graphics, huh? I love it. Oh yeah, mayhem. Yeah. Son of a digger. Nice. Okay, mommy. Okay, instructions. Okay, the other side. The other side again, mommy. Okay. Alright. Hello, Maya girl. How are you today?
Good.
Nice to know that you are feeling good. Alright, alright, mommy. Put the batteries, please.
Daddy.
Yeah.
What is Great Digger's son?
Well, that is his son. Son of a digger. That is son of a digger. And the dad is grave digger. Where is grave digger?
Great Digger.
Oh, there.
We're scared.
Yeah. Grave digger.
I like the truck.
You like grave digger?
I like the truck.
Okay.
That's scary.
Yep. Okay, the lithium-ion battery is installed. Turn it on, mommy. Wow. Yeah. Where are you going? Okay, drive it, Maya. Wow! Yeah! Mayhem! Woo! Wow! Woo! Wow!
Mom, take out the truck.
Mommy! Nice umbrella, mommy! Star Wars! Whoa! Yeah! Yay! Nice! Really? I love it! Where is the truck, Maya? Reverse! There you go! Zombie! Oh, a 360 donut? Okay, do it. Oh, mommy. Put all the cars on the sideline. Maya wants to do a 360 spin donut. Maya, can you press the sound button? No, oh, you shut it off.
Monster Jam. Feel the power. Go for it.
Go. It's the ghost racing.
Yeah.
Here we go.
So Maya did shut off the sound. Press it again, Maya. There you go. 360 donut. Oh no, the bowling pins. Jam!
Monster Jam.
Yeah!
Go for it.